crashing waves beside my feet. Island air feels warm and sweet. Sunset fading into blue. Nighttime brings a different view. Palm trees moving with the breeze. Reggae flowing naturally. Every moment feels so slow, like the tide that softly rolls. Waves of paradise tonight, moon above the shining bright. Ocean singing harmony, while the reggae sets us free. Waves of paradise so true, summer skies and midnight blue. Feel the rhythm in your soul, let the island take control. Bonfire glowing by the sea, casting shadows over me. Sweet guitar beneath the stars, healing every hidden scar. Cool night air and silver skies. Heartbeat finds the beat of the ocean, calm and deep. Waves of paradise tonight, moon above and shining bright. Ocean singing harmony, while the reggae sets us free. Waves of paradise so true, summer skies and midnight blue. Feel the rhythm in your soul, let the island take control. Hear the midnight sound, waves are dancing all around. Ooh, island glow, never let this feeling go. Morning waits beyond the sea, but tonight is all I need. With the reggae and the tide, peace will always be my guide. Softer eyes and turning gold, evening stories slowly told. Gentle waves beneath the sky carry echoes drifting by. Island shadows start to sway, night slips away. Every heartbeat finds the groove, with the ocean's steady move. Coastal dreams tonight, underneath the pale moonlight. Reggae rhythms in the air, freedom floating everywhere. Coastal dreams tonight, stars above us shining bright. Palm trees dancing by the sea, that's the only place for me. Barefoot steps upon the sand, summer warmth inside your hands. Old guitars begin to sing, peace is found in everything. Salted breeze and neon skies, island magic in our eyes. Every sound becomes so clear, like paradise is finally here. Coastal dreams tonight, underneath the pale moonlight. Reggae rhythms in the air, freedom floating everywhere. Coastal dreams tonight, stars above us shining bright. Palm trees dancing by the sea, that's the only place for me. Oh, hear the midnight tide rolling softly through the dark. Oh, island fire burning gently in our hearts. When the morning starts to glow, still the reggae moves my soul. Ocean winds will always stay, guiding me along the way.
slow, where the peaceful feelings grow. Stars awaken one by one, good vibrations all around. Every moment feels so right, dancing softly through the night. Island flow and reggae dreams, moonlight shining on the sea, palm trees swaying naturally. This is where I wanna be. Island flow and summer light, hearts are glowing in the night. Ocean songs and harmony set my spirit free tonight.
Fire light up on the shore, hear the distant thunder roar. Soft guitars begin to play, taking all my stress away. Cool night air and coastal skies, peace reflected in your eyes. Every rhythm feels alive, like the stars begin to rise.
Island flow and reggae dreams, moonlight shining on the sea, palm trees swaying naturally. This is where I wanna be. Island flow and summer light, hearts are glowing in the night. Ocean songs and harmony set my spirit free tonight. Tropical night, carry me beyond the tide. Ocean sky, keep this feeling deep inside. Slowly fading with the dawn, but the island spirit strong. Reggae echoes through the air, peace and love are everywhere.
comes in view, but tonight still feels brand new. With the rhythm of the tide, peace will always be my guide. No ocean lights and reggae fire take my spirit higher and higher. Moonlight shining on the sea feels like heaven next to me. Ocean lights and tropical rain wash away my stress and pain. Palm trees moving with the beat. Island life feels so complete.
Evening colors fill the air, salted breeze runs through my hair. Waves are rolling nice and slow, where the peaceful feelings grow. Stars awaken one by one, good vibrations all around. Every moment feels so right, dancing softly through the night.
Island flow and reggae drink, moonlight shining on the sea. Palm trees swaying naturally, this is where I wanna be. Island flow and summer light, hearts are glowing in the night.
Ocean songs and harmonies
Set my spirit free tonight. Firelight upon the shore, hear the distant thunder roar. Soft guitars begin to play, taking all my stress away. Cool night air and coastal skies, peace reflected in your eyes. Every rhythm feels alive, like the stars begin to rise. Island flow and reggae dream, moonlight shining on the sea. Palm trees swaying naturally, this is where I wanna be. Island flow and summer light, hearts are glowing in the night. Ocean songs and harmony set my spirit free tonight. Tropical night, carry me beyond the tide. Ocean sky, keep this feeling deep inside. Slowly fading with the dawn, but the island spirit's strong. Reggae echoes through the air, peace and love are everywhere. reflected in my eyes, slowly drifting with the sound. Good vibrations all around. Every worry fades away as the night replaces day. Ocean lights and reggae fire take my spirit higher and higher. Moonlight shining on the sea feels like heaven next to me. Ocean lights in tropical red wash away my stress and pain. Palm trees moving with the beat. Island life feels so complete. Late night music by the shore makes me want to stay once more. Bonfire glowing amber red, sweet melodies inside my head. Stars are dancing overhead, silver dreams around us spread. Every heartbeat feels alive in this endless island vibe. Ocean lights and reggae fire take my spirit higher and higher. Moonlight shining on the sea feels like heaven next to me. Ocean lights in tropical red wash away my stress and pain. Palm trees moving with the beat. Island life feels so complete. Ooh, let the ocean call through the calm and silent night. Ooh, feel the reggae flow. Everything will be alright. Morning slowly comes in view, but tonight still feels brand new. With the rhythm of the tide, peace will always be my guide. Soft horizon turning gold, evening stories slowly told. Gentle waves beneath the sky carry echoes drifting by. Island shadows start to sway as the daylight slips away. Every heartbeat finds a groove, that's the only place for me. Barefoot steps upon the sand, summer warmth inside your hands. Old guitars begin to sing, peace is found in everything. Salted breeze and neon skies, island magic in our eyes. Every sound becomes so clear, like paradise is finally here. Coastal dreams tonight, underneath the pale moonlight. Reggae rhythms in the air, freedom floating everywhere. Coastal dreams tonight, stars above are shining bright. Palm trees dancing by the sea, that's the only place for me. Ooh, hear the midnight tide rolling softly through the dark. Ooh, island fire burning gently in our hearts. When the morning starts to glow, still the reggae moves my soul. Ocean winds will always stay, guiding me along the way.
Golden light upon the sea, slow and dancing through the trees. Footprints fading near the tide, summer whispers by my side.
Sky turns purple, stars away, feel the rhythm of the waves. Every worry disappears, only peace is living here. Sunset waves and reggae nights,
Moonlight shining soft and bright,
ocean breeze and paradise. We keep dancing through the night. Sunset waves and island skies,
palm trees moving side to side.
feel the heartbeat of the shore. I don't need nothing more. I don't need nothing more.
Bonfire glowing by the sand, your warm touch inside my hand. Slow guitar beneath the moon, night will sing our favorite tune.
Salted air and neon skies, freedom living in our eyes. Every sound becomes a dream, flowing with the ocean stream. Sunset waves and reggae nights,
Moonlight shining soft and bright,
ocean breeze and paradise. We keep dancing through the night. Sunset waves and island skies,
palm trees moving side to side.
feel the
Reggae hearts are swaying slow. Beachside dreams will never fade, with the rhythm of the ocean glow. I don't need nothing more.
Fading sunlight on the shore, hear the waves forevermore. Island colors slowly dim as the night breeze settles in. Coconut trees move so free, dancing with the melody. Every sound becomes so light in the calm Caribbean night. Tropical midnight breeze, carry all my dreams to sea. Reggae rhythm soft and low, where the peaceful feelings flow. Tropical midnight skies, moonlight glowing in your eyes. Ocean heartbeat next to me, this is pure serenity. Bonfire shadows on the sand, summer love inside your hand. Slow guitars and mellow drums, feel the island spirit come. Stars are shining crystal bright, guiding every soul tonight. All the world just fades away, in this paradise we stay. Tropical midnight breeze, carry all my dreams to sea. Reggae rhythm soft and low, where the peaceful feelings flow. Tropical midnight skies, moonlight glowing in your eyes. Ocean heartbeat next to me, this is pure serenity. moving with the breeze, reggae flowing naturally. Every moment feels so slow, like the tide that softly rolls. Waves of paradise tonight, moon above is shining bright. Ocean singing harmony, while the reggae sets us free. Waves of paradise so true, summer skies and midnight blue. Feel the rhythm in your soul, let the island take control. Bonfire glowing by the sea, casting shadows over me. Sweet guitar beneath the stars, healing every hidden scar. Cool night air and silver skies, island magic never dies. Every heartbeat finds the beat of the ocean coming deep. Waves of paradise tonight, moon above is shining bright. Ocean singing harmony, while the reggae sets us free. Waves of paradise so true, summer skies and midnight blue. Feel the rhythm in your soul, let the island take control. Oh, oh, hear the midnight sound, waves are dancing all around. Oh, island glow, never let this feeling go. Morning waits beyond the sea, but tonight is all I need. With the reggae and the tide, peace will always be my guide. Golden sunset paints the sky, seagulls drifting low and high, warm sand underneath my feet, ocean's rhythm feels complete. Palm trees dancing with the breeze, night arrives so naturally. Every wave just pulls me close to the place I love the most. Reggae nights beside the sea, island wind keeps calling me. Moonlight shining on the shore makes me want this even more. Reggae hearts and summer skies, freedom glowing in your eyes, slowly swaying to the sound. Peace and love are all around. heartbeat feels so free, like the ocean lives in me. Reggae nights beside the sea, island wind keeps calling me. Moonlight shining on the shore makes me want this even more. Reggae hearts and summer skies, freedom glowing in your eyes, slowly swaying to the sound. Peace and love are all around. Ooh, hear the waves tonight, singing soft beneath the moon. Island lullaby, hope this moment never moves. Morning still so far away, let the music gently play. Underneath the tropical glow, feel the island spirit flow.
Sun goes down beyond the bay, orange light begins to fade. Barefoot walking by the sea, island life surrounding me. Blue wind moving through the night, city worries out of sight. Every wave becomes a song, telling me where I belong. Paradise afterglow, feel the island rhythm flow. Moonlight dancing on the tide, with the ocean by my side. Paradise afterglow, let the peaceful feeling grow. Reggae music in the air, love and freedom everywhere. Lantern shining near the shore, hear the old guitars once more. Bonfire sparks up to the sky, while the midnight breeze goes by. Silver stars above the sea bring this calm serenity. Every heartbeat moving slow, with the tide's eternal flow. Paradise afterglow, feel the island rhythm flow. Moonlight dancing on the tide, with the ocean by my side. Paradise afterglow, let the peaceful feeling grow. Reggae music in the air, love and freedom everywhere. Ooh, hear the ocean sing through the quiet tropical night. Ooh, island melody, everything will be alright. Morning waits beyond the blue, but tonight feels fresh and new. Underneath the moonlit sky, island dreams will never
dancing through the trees, footprints fading near the tide. Summer whispers by my side, sky turns purple, stars away. Feel the rhythm of the waves, every worry disappears. Only peace is living here. Sunset waves and reggae nights, moonlight shining soft and bright. Ocean breeze in paradise, we keep dancing through the night. Sunset waves and island skies, palm trees moving side to side. Feel the heartbeat of the shore, I don't need nothing more. Bonfire glowing by the sand, your warm touch inside my hand. Slow guitar beneath the moon, night will sing our favorite tune. Salted air and neon skies, freedom living in our eyes. Every sound becomes a dream, flowing with the ocean stream. Sunset waves and reggae nights, moonlight shining soft and bright. Ocean breeze in paradise, we keep dancing through the night. Sunset waves and island skies, palm trees moving side to side. Feel the heartbeat of the shore, I don't need nothing more. Ooh, island breeze, carry all my soul away. Ooh, endless sea, let this moment always stay. Underneath the silver moon, reggae hearts are swaying slow. Beachside dreams will never fade, with the rhythm of the ocean glow.